Okay, so we're going to do the color replace tool lesson today, and we're going to use a blue car. So I've given you the file, so just open that image up. Then you're going to come over and open it in a new window, and then you'll download it. Click download, and it'll download to your computer, to your Chromebook. And then let's go back to Google Classroom and open Pixlr, or you could just go to pixlr.com. And I would suggest signing in, and then we're going to go to Pixlr E, and let's open the image. So here's my image, the blue car. It went right to my downloads. And then we're going to make a duplicate of this layer. Now you can see there's two layers. There's the background copy and the background. We're going to work with the background copy, and we're going to come over, and to replace the color, we're going to use this tool, color replace. So I'll click on it, and all of these defaults are pretty good up here. The tolerance and the brush size and everything. You can change them, but I think it works pretty well for this assignment. But the color, let's change this color to red. So you can put it on a red. I like the bright red. And now it's almost like we have spray paint. We're going to just drag it over the blue. And we have the two copies because, well, you'll see. So I'm going to paint this car red, almost like it's spray paint. You know, I think I'll change the brush size for the detail. I think I'll come down maybe to half and see how that works. Maybe I'll even go smaller. Okay, so as you can see, I do have some mistakes, and I'm just going to go back with my eraser tool, and I'm just going to, actually I might change the brush size of this also, and I'm just going to erase it, and I can do that, I can erase the mistakes because I have a background behind it. I have the two layers, and so I can go through and clean up some of the mistakes that I've made. So it's a pretty cool tool because it's pretty, the color, it's a pretty, it's pretty smart because it tries to follow. The windows always get. Okay, so you can continue to clean up your image, and then when you're done, you're going to go to File and Save, and you can save it as a project file. You cannot turn this in, but if you're in the middle of things and you had signed in, it would just hold your work so that you could come right back to it. But if you're ready to turn in, you can, you don't have to have a high quality. You're going to click Save and name it anything, but make sure that it's something different so you turn in the right file. Then you're going to go back to Google Classroom, and when you view the assignment over here, it will say add or create, and you're going to add file and navigate on your computer and then attach it and click turn in. Good luck.